Hi everyone. Thanksgiving week, and I'm making sweet potato casserole. What I have here is 3 pounds of sweet potatoes that I roasted in the oven for an hour and a half. And now I'm ricing them. I'll be back to show you what I put in them. Okay, so I'm videotaping this myself. My son is sick and the other son won't come in the house because he doesn't want to get sick. And I wanted to get this sweet potato casserole out to you. So this is what I'm doing. I baked the sweet potatoes for about an hour and a half at 350. You peel them and you rice them. This is 3 pounds of sweet potatoes, to which I'm going to add a half a stick of room temperature butter, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, a tablespoon or a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of heavy cream, and 1/3 cup of flour to thicken it up a little bit. You mix all this together. Now there are 2 ways you could top the casserole. My grandchildren, of course, like the marshmallows. But you can do a streusel topping, which is also very good. The recipe will be on the bottom. I take mini marshmallows and I put them on top like the last 10 minutes. Smells so cinnamony and sugary. So this is mixed. Try to get the butter mixed in well. That's why you need it at room temperature. My sons love the candied yams. The candied yams, you just bake the potatoes, cut them up, and put brown sugar, butter, and maple syrup on top. And I like to make them get really well done so that the edges are crispy. Those are yummy. This is yummy too. Now I'm prepping this in advance. You could prep it a day or 2 in advance. I have my baking spray. By the way, I'm making artichokes right here too. I'm not making them for Thanksgiving, but I can't go a holiday without my artichokes. So here we go. Forgive me, as this is a little haphazard on the video, but like I said, I wanted to get it out to you so that you have it in time for Thanksgiving. Now, if you're using the streusel, you would just sprinkle it on top. The recipe will be below the video for the streusel. If you're using the marshmallows, just the last 10 minutes in the oven, you sprinkle about a cup or 2. Just cover it all and put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes, but watch it. You don't want it to burn. So on Thanksgiving Day, I will put this in the oven at 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes. And when it comes out, You're going to love it, and you're going to thank me. Until next time, oh, bon appetit.